Hi, today I will explain the LCM and the HCF. Let's start with the LCM. LCM means least common multiple. The word least means smallest. Common is like in Spanish, but we can say something that is the same. Is the same for, in this case, for some numbers. A multiple, we explained this word the other day. So let's see an example. We are going to find the LCM of 6 and 8. Okay, so I can write all the multiples of 6 and 8 and then find the smallest common multiple. So the multiples of 6 are 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2, 12, 18, 24, 30, etc. For 8, I have the following multiples: 8, 16, 24, 32, etc. We can see that the smallest common multiple, the smallest multiple that is the same for 8 and 6 is 24. Okay, we can do this in a different way because sometimes we have bigger numbers or we have more numbers, and this can be difficult. So we are going to use now the prime factorization. So as you remember, I have to write the first number, 6, and I start the prime factorization. I can divide by 2, this is 3, 3 can be divided by 3, and the remainder, 3 divided by 3, the quotient is 1. So 6 is 2 times 3. Now 8 can be divided by 2, this is 4, divided by 2, this is 2, 2 can only be divided by 2, and this is 1. So 8 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that this is the same as 2 to the third power or 2 to the power of 3. Okay, so now to find the LCM, I have to select all the factors taking the biggest exponents. So the factor 2 is here and is here, so it's repeated. So I have to choose the factor 2 with the biggest exponent. So this is 2 to the power of 3. And I have to put also the number 3. The number 3 is only here, so multiply by 3. As you can see, I don't repeat the factors, so I cannot put here again 2. Okay, not possible. I cannot repeat the factors. Okay, so this is 8 multiplied by 3, 24. So we will practice more next day with the LCM. Let's see now the HCF. So let me clean all this. So the HCF means the highest, this is biggest common factor. Factor is a divisor. Okay? So let's see an example with the numbers 12 and 8. So in first place, we are going to look for the factors or divisors for 12. The first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And for 8 is 1, 2, 4, and 8. So the biggest common divisor, as you can see, is 4. Of course, we can use the prime factorization to find the HCF. So let's start doing the factorization. We can divide by 2. This is 6 divided by 2, 3 divided by 3. This is 1. And 8, we can divide by 2 all the way. Okay, so 12 is 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. 8 is 2 to the power of 3. Okay, so the HCF. To find the HCF, I must select the common factors. Common factors or repeated factors. So from 12 and 8, I can select the 2 because the 2 is repeated in both numbers. I cannot take the number 3 because the number 3 is not in the 8. Okay, so I select the number 2, but I have 2 powers, the 2 to the power of 2 and 2 to the power of 3. Well, I have to choose the smallest exponent, the smallest exponent, so 2 to the power of 2. Again, I cannot repeat the factors, so I cannot put multiply by 2 to the power of 3. This is a mistake. Okay, so this is wrong. I erase this. So the solution is 4. This is the HCF. Okay, bye bye.